So we're out here. Check it out. We have to keep moving on the beach here at Mission Beach because the tide keeps coming in higher and higher. We're out here today to check out the high tides. It's a perigean spring tide right now, and we also call that a king tide. So when the king tides occur, that's when there's really, really high tides and really, really low tides. And it just so happens that there's about 6 to 8 of these a year, and today is one of the days. So we're out here to check it out. Now, one thing we can look at when we examine the king tides or the perigean spring tides over the years is how that water is coming up higher and higher each year. So there's a project called the California King Tides Project that's a citizen science project where citizens all up and down the coast are asked to take photos during the high tide so that the California Coastal Commission can look at those tide levels and compare them from year to year to look at potential coastal flooding in the future as our sea level rises. So check out the California King Tides Project if you and your family want to do some citizen science and help contribute and think about global climate change.